All right, if you're a Starlink owner, you probably noticed something pretty quickly, that this thing right here, it's portable. But the problem is all the accessories that you have, your Ethernet cable, your power, your cable, your actual base unit. If you want to have some zip ties to secure it from wind, any accessories that you want, insert this Selens Adventure Pack. This Adventure Pack was made for Starlink, and it is made for the portability of your Starlink Mini. And with that in mind, they call it their Adventure Pack. Now I got this because I'm a full-time RVer, and I never know if I got to hike far away or if I'm out in Timbuktu and I want to just store this away. And you can see that this is a low profile. Before, we just had all these cables just lying around taking up space in a bin. Now I have the peace of mind of knowing all of my pieces are together, and it actually is one of the things that they want you to know is that this is a premium quality. They want you to know right here on the label is that it is built with Cordura fabric. Now, Cordura fabric, if you're not familiar with it, it's just kind of like that quality seal of approval. It's mainly used for military and outdoor applications so that you know that this is going to be rugged, quality, tough, and it's going to have some wear and tear plus a little bit of water resistance as well for you. So let's check this bag out right here. Well, in the front, you're going to have this mole system right here so you can attach any attachments you want to it. You also have a Velcro so you can attach any labels. Velcro patches here, that's always kind of cool. You can patch your own, make your own style. On the inside, you just have a short little pocket. It's probably where I'll put like some USB-C cables, anything like that that I can attach it, or any power bank stuff. Now, on the inside, this is the cool part. Right here on the inside, I actually enjoy that they give you a different color. Blue right here. This right here is where your Starlink Mini is going to go, and they give you all the different security attachment points, which is really cool. So Velcro here. All right, so this is where you can put your Starlink Mini right here. And then you have two of these waterproof cases right here that are Velcro. So I love the fact that they're Velcro. They're not going anywhere, but if you need to take them out separately. And then also right here, you have a waterproof, but you also have a peekaboo pouch right here. Let's call it a peekaboo pouch, where power cord right here. So you can have your entire power cord in your power station in here. So if you can run it on a USB-C, you can put that power bank in there just like that, and then have a small little cable hole poking out that you actually plug into the Starlink Mini. So that's pretty cool. So we're going to put that right there. And then in this other compartment is where I'm going to store my Ethernet cable, because I do rock with a router a lot of the times. And so if I run a router, I like to have this big Ethernet cable right here for me, ready to hook up to my router so my whole campsite can get Wi-Fi access. It just makes it super convenient for me. All right, so I just store my Ethernet cable in here. I love having that Ethernet cable right there so that if I want to hook the campsite up to a router, it makes it super nice. So immediately the TVs, the laptops, the phones automatically get that coverage instead of hooking them up one at a time. So I just plug the router in and play it, and we're good to go. So not only does this keep everything together, it actually protects your equipment quite a bit. I think they named it correctly when they said it's an adventure gear. And I do kind of like to have this. This is just an accessory of mine. I like it because it's just a window mount. So we're gonna see if it'll fit in here. I think it will, just like that. It's a window mount so that if I'm driving my truck, I can take this thing with me. And just like that, I got plenty of room for even more accessories for the Starlink. Plus with the bag, with the Starlink Mini Bag, they give you these shoulder straps. Now, they make these shoulder straps really convenient to take on and off, because this bag is actually made, either you can carry it by itself or you can attach it to another backpack with all of these straps, these webbings right here. You can attach it to, like, if you're going backpacking, you can take this with you, or if you're going day packing, it's just another bag that you don't have to put inside of a bag, so you don't have to take up the space inside your bag. So they make these shoulder straps really convenient and really easy to take on and off, just like so. You just put them in here and then you strap them, and then you just stick them through here and close that up just like that. I think that's really cool, the flexibility that these shoulder straps, either you can use them or you don't have to use them, and they're not attached to it. They're not stitched into the bag. They're like, hey, you know what? Shoulder straps are a nice to have, but not a must have, because we built this bag to go for your backpackers, to stick on the back of a backpack so that it doesn't take space inside the backpack and it can get wet. It's made of highly durable material that if oops happens, you don't have to worry about the durability of this, and it's going to protect all of your gear inside of this. It is rugged, it is tough. That's number one reason why I picked it up, because when you're dealing with outdoors, it's not a matter of if, but when something happens. It falls, it rolls down a hill, heaven forbid, you know, it goes in the lake or whatever. Stuff like that just tends to happen when you're dealing with outdoors, and you just got to roll with it. But why not be protected when that does happen? So if you got a Starlink Mini and you want to save some shelf space, attach it to your backpack, or have the confidence of knowing that all of your accessories and everything are together, this might be a really solid pickup for you.